Waikiki Beach, a tropical paradise nestled along the shores of Honolulu, is our first stop on this journey. With its pristine golden sands and crystal-clear turquoise waters, Waikiki is a haven for beach lovers. Take a leisurely stroll along the iconic Waikiki Beach Walk, dotted with shops, restaurants, and vibrant street performances. Don't forget to catch a breathtaking sunset, casting a warm glow over Diamond Head, creating a picture-perfect moment. Diamond Head State Monument. Our next destination is the iconic Diamond Head State Monument. Embark on a hike to the summit for panoramic views of Honolulu and the Pacific Ocean. The trail winds through fascinating bunkers and tunnels, remnants of the area's military history. As you reach the top, the expansive vista unfolds, showcasing the lush landscapes and the vibrant city below. Diamond Head is a must-visit for those seeking both adventure and breathtaking scenery. Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve. Moving on to our third spot, we find ourselves at Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve. This marine life sanctuary is a snorkeler's dream, teeming with colorful coral reefs and a diverse array of marine species. Immerse yourself in the crystal-clear waters, surrounded by the beauty of the underwater world. The bay's curved shape provides a sheltered and calm environment, making it an ideal location for both beginners and experienced snorkelers alike. Don't forget your snorkel gear for an unforgettable aquatic experience. Pearl Harbor National Memorial. Our journey takes a historical turn as we arrive at the Pearl Harbor National Memorial. Commemorating the events of December 7, 1941, this memorial pays tribute to the lives lost during the attack on Pearl Harbor. Explore the USS Arizona Memorial, which stands above the sunken battleship, offering a poignant reminder of the impact of World War II. The memorial provides an educational and reflective experience, allowing visitors to understand the significance of this historic site. Manoa Falls Trail. Our final destination brings us to the enchanting Manoa Falls Trail. Nestled in the Manoa Valley, this hiking trail leads you through a lush rainforest, showcasing the natural beauty of Hawaii. The highlight of the journey is the majestic Manoa Falls, cascading down a 150-foot cliff. The soothing sound of the waterfall and the verdant surroundings create a serene and peaceful atmosphere. This trail offers a perfect escape into nature, allowing visitors to connect with the island's rich biodiversity. As our exploration of Honolulu comes to an end, we hope this virtual tour has ignited your wanderlust and inspired you to discover the beauty of these remarkable places. From the sun-kissed beaches to the historical landmarks, Honolulu has something to offer for every traveler. Whether you seek relaxation, adventure, or cultural experiences, Honolulu's diverse attractions make it a must-visit destination. Mahalo for joining us on this journey, and until next time, aloha.